What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here, and in today's video we're going to install LED fog lights for the Ford Ranger. If you guys don't know, I have this 2019 Ford Ranger. We've been doing a lot on the channel with this vehicle. I've actually done a giveaway on some parts for these vehicles. Definitely check out those other videos of this vehicle, but today we're going to be installing LED 3K fog lights from Auxito. I've always liked the look of the JDM cars, especially like the WRXs in the World Rally Blue with like the yellow fog lights. It's just my personal preference. So we're gonna do yellow 3K LED fog lights for this vehicle. But before we get into the install of it, we're gonna go check out the lights outside. It is dark out right now. I'm actually doing this video at night, and we're gonna check out and see what the fog lights look like with the regular halogens that come with these vehicles. So let's go outside and see what these look like. Alrighty, so we have the headlights on right now. I'm gonna shut those off, because we're not going to do anything with those today. So let's shut those off. And right now it's just the fog lights. So this is kind of what we're looking at. It's lightning out too, but this is kind of what we're looking at. So pretty much you got a cut line right there. Yeah. So that's pretty much what we're working with for fog lights on this vehicle. So that cut line, it's actually looks a little bit more yellower in person than on camera. So just take that in mind for what it looks like. But this is what we're working with before. So that's what we're looking like before. I'll turn the headlights on real quick so you can kind of see what they look like with them on. So that's what they look like with the headlights on. Pretty bright. Like I said, it's more yellower in person, but so that's what the vehicle looks like with the headlights on, with fog lights on. But like I said, we're going to be changing the fog lights out to 3K Auxito fog lamps. H11 bulb is what it is. So yeah, it's a little bit misty out right now. Actually a perfect night because it's actually foggy out. I can't really tell, but it's definitely foggy out tonight. But yeah, let's go back inside and I'll show you how to install these bulbs for the fog lights. All right, you're gonna grab these fog lights here. Go. So these are by Auxito LED fog lights, and they're the H11s. I'll put a link in the description below on where you can get these. I think they have a website, so you can probably get them right from their website, and I'll link it below in case you guys are looking for these. So here are the bulbs. So they're LED bulbs. I did a little bit of reading up on them. They are LED yellow 3K. They have a little heat soak area right there, and they are H11s. Like I said, 2 of them come in a pack. Yeah, we're just gonna install them. Apparently this is pretty easy, so let's get right to it. Okay, you see here, we want to go right up in there, and then you want to kind of go up underneath the crash bar here. See if I can grab it. And you just twist left. All right. I don't know if you can see or not. There's the bulb. It's pretty easy to get to. I don't know if I can Actually, it's higher up. If you can see like where that, I don't know if you can really, but it's up there. If you guys reach it, you can find it. And there's a clip. Squeeze the clip, pull the bulb out. All you gotta use is one finger. So we got that out. Just make sure you don't touch the bulb. And I'm gonna go grab the Auxito one. Here's the Auxito. Here's the factory bulb, halogen. They're very similar-ish. They try to keep the diode for the LED, the diode, similar to what the halogen length is, which I kind of like that. So let's install this real quick, and then I'll do the other side and we can see what it looks like. Alright, so I already showed you guys where it's at. So it's up there. The plug, we're just going to put that in there, and then I'll twist. You got to twist it right, and then we'll do the other side real quick and try these puppies out. Alrighty, got that side in. Look in there. So that side is in. Now we gotta do the other side. So I'll do that real quick and then we'll turn these things on. Alright, that's out. New one's in. This. Alright, got that one in. Alright, now that one's in. So let's take a look at these on. I like that. They're bright. Can't even look at them, they're so bright. How's it look like with the headlights on? That's what we gotta check next. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Well, we'll just have to check it outside and see what it looks like. Huh, let's take a look. Definitely yellow. I like it. Gives you that JDM-ish look. Definitely yellow. Well, this is the perfect night to try it out. I'll have to see. Got a little one more walk around here. I'm gonna get back inside. It's kind of, you can see it's kind of raining a lot now. Alrighty, so they look pretty good. I like them. We'll see how they perform as we go along, but as of right now, we'll try these out. I can't even look at them. It's just blinding my eyes. That's gonna be bright for whoever's coming at me. Well, guys, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more content with Rangers, let me know. And you guys have a good day or night or whatever you're having. Bye, guys.